Okay, so for skill 5, I first chose 4 integers. A is equal to 15, B is equal to 18, theta is equal to 80 degrees, and the other angle is 45 degrees. So for my first triangle, I created this one where you would need to use law of sines to solve, and this is an angle side triangle. And well, law of sines is sine of angle A over sine length A is equal to sine of B over B equals sine length C over C. So I can use law of sines to solve this triangle because I have this angle and the side length across from this angle, and then I have a different angle and an unknown side length. So I can use these to, I can plug these into the law of sines and solve the rest of the triangle. For this second triangle, it is necessary for you to use law of cosines to solve. And law of cosines for this is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times cosine of angle C. So since this is a side angle side triangle, I have two sides which can be used in the law of cosines formula, and then I have this angle between them, which is opposite this unknown angle C, side length C, sorry. So I can use law of cosines and just plug all these values in to the formula, and I can solve for the rest of the triangle. And for this third triangle, it has two solutions, and this is because this is a side-side angle triangle, so it has two sides, known sides, and then a known angle. And you can see there are two possible triangles here. And I know that because, well, this side A, side length A across from this angle, is greater than this height here. And I know the height is because this is a 45-degree angle, and, well, it's just, the side lengths are just 9 root 2, because it's just a regular 45-degree angle, and 9 root 2 is about 12.7, and that's definitely less than A, so this way the side length can go on both sides because it's larger than the height. So that triangle has two solutions. And this is a triangle that has no solutions because the sine of this triangle, or of the known angle, is greater than 1, and that can't be possible because the ratio for sine is opposite over hypotenuse, and if it's greater than 1, that means the opposite side is larger than the hypotenuse, and that can't be possible because hypotenuse is always along the side of a triangle. So this triangle has no solutions because, well, you have two known angles, or side lengths, 18 and 15, and then across from this you have 80-degree angle. So this is also a side angle triangle, and it has no solutions, and you can prove this by trying to solve using the law of sines. So sine of 80 degrees over 15 is equal to sine of C over 18. And once you solve for this, the sine C is equal to 1.18, but that can't be possible because sine can't be greater than 1. So this triangle has no solutions. And lastly, I decided to solve for triangle B up here, and this is a triangle with this is the side angle side triangle, in which you will need to use law of cosines to solve. And so that's what I did. I did c squared is equal to 15 squared plus 18 squared minus 2 times 15 times 18 times cosine of 45. And I think it just froze, I'm not sure, but c squared is equal to 549. I just plug this in my calculator, minus 540 times cosine 45 degrees, and c squared is equal to about 167.16, and so c is equal to 12.93. And to solve for the other angles, I can just use law of sines. So I just did sine of 45 over c, which I found out to be 12.93 up here. is equal to sine of A over 15, and I found sine of A to equal, well, I found angle A to equal about 55.12 degrees. And then since a triangle, the angles in a triangle always add up to 180, I did 180 minus 45 degrees minus 55.12, because I just found that, to get 79.88 for the last remaining unknown angle.